Hello guys, so you can see on the screen this is our workflow and this is our schedule trigger that trigger our workflow and generate the video. So first of all we can see our generated result.
They lied to you.
This
AI
is
isn't
the
about
video.
robots. Not anymore. It's about control. Your choices, every scroll, every click. They're watching, predicting your next
So
move before
this
you.
is our video that this workflow generate and explain this workflow for you. This is our script node, the agent that generate our script, and this is our voiceover agent that generate voiceover for the script, and this is our Google Drive node where we upload some template of videos like this, so we can use them for our video generation. And when both things are ready, the video and voiceover, then it will go for the editing part. These are the editing nodes like cutting the audio and video, combining them, then make a video and add some captions, subtitles on the video, and when the video is ready it will go for uploading part, like upload it on the Google Drive and upload it on our social media like Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. Other we can add them also like TikTok or any other social media if you want. And this is our Telegram node also, so we can get our video on Telegram. So this is our full workflow that generate videos, and the good part is we can customize this for if you want any other duration time like 30 second or not, for 60-second video we can change it here. If you want any other language we can change, and if you want any other topic we can change. So it's fully customizable. If you want another voice, so we can change here also, we can change the language also. This is full customizable and free automation, and there is no API charges. This is full free because we run it locally on our computer, so it will help us to generate unlimited video and upload it on our unlimited social media. We can create multiple channel, multiple agents, and change just the script, and they will generate our video. And for the drive node we upload some videos, like you can upload your template also for background video and generate the script. You can change script. If you want motivational script we can change it here. So if you want 60-second motivational script we can modify this prompt, and this prompt generate script for our video and generate the voiceover, then cut and combine the audio, make it ready and publish it on our social media. So this is our full automation. If you want this automation, and you can contact us and we build this automation for you. It's just a simple free automation. I run this automation for many clients and they will get many followers on their social medias and getting good result, and some are already earning using this automation around $400 per month, around $300, or one client is earning like $1,000 per month also, because this is the unlimited system. You can manage 10 or around 100 channels using this automation. There is no cost, you can use it free. So yeah, if you love this automation, love to help you to grow, and if you want this automation just contact us and we build this automation for you. So thank you guys.